Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can go ahead and connect Notion to your N8N AI automation. So basically, first things first, you want to create a new workflow and add the first step. Now we are inside the official article for us to get the latest way on how you can do this. Now in the N8N website, you can just go ahead and add a workflow, and from there you then want to add a starting point like a trigger on your workflow that's like an app event, a schedule, or a webhook call. From there you then want to add and configure your N8N right here on the Notion nodes, and basically right after we can then connect the data store or the database N8N to Notion, as you can see right here. Basically right after connecting Notion, you can just customize it the way you want to, but in our example right here we have the N8N to conversational agents to code to Notion. So if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.